Welcome to video 7.2D, use angle, angle, side, and a proof. So this is example 5. I'll mark it up as we go. So given angle K is congruent to angle J, segment MR is congruent to NR, prove that segment MK is congruent to segment NJ. Alright, so when you see a problem like this, you're just overlapping triangles is screaming to be used. So let's see if we can get the overlapping triangles congruent, perhaps by angle, angle, side, and then we'll use CP, CTC to get those parts. So, I like to draw the triangles in different colors. So I'll draw this one in blue, and I'll draw this one in green. Okay, so I'm going to do some planning beforehand. Definitely, this is a shared side, so that'll be congruent by reflexive. Here's something that's interesting. This small triangle here is an isosceles triangle. So if these sides are congruent, then the opposite angles are congruent. So this angle here is congruent to this angle there. And what's important to visualize is this angle's the small angle in green triangle, this angle's the small angle in blue triangle. It's sometimes hard for students to visualize that. Once I do that, the triangles will be congruent by angle, angle, side. Watch. This angle in green, this angle in green, this side in green, this angle in blue, this angle in blue, that side in blue. And then I can get these by parts. So now I'm going to start writing it down. All right, so I'll go in angle, angle, side order. So I'll start with this. Angle K congruent to angle J given. Then for me to work with other angles, I first have to deal with these sides here. So I've got MR congruent to NR given. That is not a side in the triangle. It's just going to help me get these angles here. So I'll go angle, I'll go JMN is congruent to angle KNM. And that's going to be this old thing. If sides, then angles. So that's going to be the angle. Then I'll get MN to MN by reflexive. Then, notice I've got angle, angle, side. I'll get the triangles by that. Triangle. If I want, I could go, well, whatever. I'll go KMN. Once I go KMN, I'm stuck with JNN, JNM. So that was by angle, angle, side. And then I wanted to get MK. Notice those are the first two letters. To NJ, those are the first two letters. So that would correspond. So I'll say MK is congruent to NJ by CPCTC. So there you have it. How to use angle, angle, side in a proof.